reconnected the hose. It's not really possible to connect the hose without having an air bubble in it, but this air bubble comes in handy because it will show us if the pump is working and the oil is moving. This is 2-stroke oil. Please use Please use 2-stroke oil. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's nearly empty. So you just use your finger, you cover it with oil, and you put in a few drops of 2-stroke oil. And this is enough for the process of starting, because after a short time the oil pump will deliver. Sorry, had some beers already. The oil pump will deliver enough oil After about 1-2 kilometers, you see that the bubble is gone, so the fuel pump is already delivering enough oil and you're good to go. Just go a little bit slow with low ref for, but let's say 5 kilometers to be on the safe side, and then everything is normal. No need to stink around 150 kilometers with oil fuel mixture and oil pump.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?